I'll be showing you a trick that most professionals don't want you to know because it will help you sew like a professional. Many beginners find it difficult sewing a straight line, and this can be so frustrating when the lines are uneven or curvy. As you can see in this video, this line is uneven and the stitch is curving. This is something you don't want on your outfit. So what you are going to do is to lose this screw right here. After losing it, you take a bobbin. This is a bobbin and this is another screwdriver, a longer one. You place it inside and then you tighten it up, just like I'm doing in this video. After tightening it, you can then pick the fabrics you want to sew. So I'll be using this for example. Put it under the footer and then you sew. You are going to see that it will give you a perfect straight line. This little trick will make your stitch even and straight, also make your sewing faster, as you can see in this video. This before and this after using the bobbin as a guide. Please note that this method can only be used for light sewing. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, also hit the like button and drop a comment below.